Hi, I would like to explain today how to control a lamp from two switches, different switches. When you're, let's say, in the room, you have one switch when entering the room and one near the bedroom, and you want to enable to control your lamp from the two different places. So there are two ways, basic ways to do it. I will show now how. If you will take the lamp and then we will connect it to a switch and a second switch which go like this, and now we connect one side to 0 and one side to the phase or VCC. It's the same. Also this is to the phase and this is to 0. These are the switches. They have one common, which is the middle, and they have something that is called normally close and normally open, or it doesn't matter, maybe it doesn't go like this, but it is called SP, the T switch, or it is single pole. This is the name because this is the pole, and double throw. Double throw is the dual output from the switch. So basically the switch can be in this side, or when you press it, the other side. Now if we will look at the circuit, the way it is now, we have phase here and phase here, and if the lamp is in the same voltage on the different side of the lamp, it will not light. If a lamp, you want to light a lamp, you should connect it one side to phase and one to ground, or one to VCC and one side to GND. This is the only way to light it up. Now as you can see, if you will be at this side, now it is not lighting, and we will turn the switch so it will move to here, and then we will have phase on this side, and on this side it will be 0 and it will light. The lamp will light. So it was off and now we change it and it is on, and now we will go to the other side and we will also switch it, so now we will have 0 on same side, so it will be turn off or off. So in this way, but this way is not recommended due to the problem that when you want to replace the lamp, it might be in the first way that you have phase here and phase here. So you will have phase on both sides of the lamp, and then you can electrify yourself while trying to replace the lamp, because both sides of the lamp, here and here, they will have phase. So when you try to unplug it, you will touch this part and you can kill yourself. So the recommended way is not to do it like this, but to connect it like this. So now what I'm doing, I'm connecting the lamp here, and it will be tied to 0 always. So if you will come to replace your lamp, you should make sure that this side will be the 0 and you will not kill yourself. And now the other side will be like this. You take the two wires and connect them like this. And now we'll connect this side to phase or VCC. So in this way you can see that now there is a phase to this side of the lamp and it is lighting. And if I will change the switch to this position, so it will be off because this net is not connected to anything, so it doesn't have any voltage. But then if you will go to the other side and pull the switch, so now this net is connecting again the phase to this side, and this is the recommended way. Now, in order to show how to use this circuit, I will use a relay for what I'm doing it, because if I want to use just a switch that look like this in order to control the light, so this is not a problem. What I can do is take the upper or the circuit here, the more recommended, let's say. So we will take the circuit that we showed now and we will connect it to the lamp. And now what I will do is the following. I will take a relay. Now it is controlled by a relay. A relay is a part that automatically control the switches. So this part is of course the one relay and this is the second relay. So now I can use this switch, connect it to 0 or ground or battery or whatever, and now I will use this circuit. And now when I'm using just SPST, which is single pole and single throw switch, I can connect the lamp from both sides. Okay? In order to show it, I've built exactly this circuit here. So I took 2 relays. Actually these are regular car relays. Each relay you see have 5 contacts, which are 2 to the coil and 3 to the SPDT relay control. And now I will connect power and show how it is working. So I have here battery, dual batteries. One controls the switches and one is connected to the LED, light. Now I have here 3 LEDs. This LED show if this switch is on or off. This LED on the second switch is showing if this switch is on and off, and this LED that I connected on the middle is the control LED. So I will show that I can control with the 2 ST switches on this light. So it is like controlling from both sides of the room. So let's think that this is one side. So as you can see, I can light it on and off by using this switch. And now if it is on the entrance to the room, I will go now up to the bedroom. Now I'm in the bedroom, and now I will turn this on. So this also control my light on the room. So actually this circuit show it's in a work. Hope you find this interesting, and this is the way it works. Now additional think about lighting from both sides. Sometimes you want to control the lamp from 3 sides or 4 sides or 10 sides, and you want each button to enable you to light the LED or lamp on and off, no problem, you can do it. So there is a switch that is called swapping switch, I think, and it goes like this. The switch looks like this. So you have 4 contacts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is the switch. When you press in the switch or moving the button, it will change its way now to this way. So it will now be connected 1, 3, 2 and 4. So we will see that 1 instead to connected to 3 is connected to 4 and 2 to 3. So it is like doing a crossing between the nets. So why it is good? It is good to the same circuit that you've seen before. Now we will use this special switch. So I will take, now this will be switch number 1, and now I will connect this switch to the swapping switch. This will be switch number 2, and of course you can connect how many switches that you want, as long as you are using the swapping switches. And now we will connect it like this to our lamp and then to ground. So as you can see, now the lamp is lighting because we have a closed loop from here and the current can flow through the lamp to the ground. And now I can use, of course this is switch number 3. Now if we will now press on the switch here, so now what it will do, it will disconnect this net and this net, and this will be connected to here and this will be connected to here, and you will see that now this wire is not connected to anything, so the light will be off. So as long as you put in the middle the swapping 4 contact switch, you can build control to your lamp from several switches at the same time. Hope you found this interesting, and bye bye for now.